Hey there, welcome to your Shopify store design full course. In this course, we are going to learn how to design a Shopify online store for craft product or decor product selling. So, if you are very beginner and wanted to learn how to design a professional Shopify store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, even without purchase any premium theme that's value more than $250 or more than $400, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. In this course, we are going to design a Shopify online store same as this one. Looks very carefully. It's built for craft and decor product. This is designed for specific niche, and that's why it looks more professional and highlighted the product very eye-catching way. So we are going to scroll down. Okay, it looks very clean and neat, but we are going to explain everything in the first time, then we start how we can make or design our store. So first of all, we can see that they have added a top announcement bar. Okay, then they have added a header section. In the header section, in the left side they have added a logo, in the right side the relevant icon like shopping cart icon, search icon, login icon. Then in the center they have added the menu. Okay, after that we see a general slideshow that we always see in any e-commerce website, and in the slideshow we have to focus one thing, that is they highlighted the product is in a smart way. Also they add black background and added the text in white color. So one things you have to keep remember, to make a professional high quality eye-catching Shopify online store, you must have to focus on how to present your images, because your design quality increase or develop by adding the right perfect positioning on captured image. So you have to focus on that. Also, I want to add a note for this course. I'm going to use all these images only for design training purpose, but on your store you have to add your own images. But I will share the full guideline about all images size, image format, everything, and how you can make this type of images, so don't worry about that. Okay, we're going to scroll down. After slider, scroll down. Very nice, looks very nice. Shop by collection, and you see there have a carousel. That is very challenging part for any new Shopify store designer, but we'll do this in this tutorial so that you can add same shop by collection section with slider carousel on your Shopify online store. Okay, then scroll down. There is a two featured section like discount type product highlight, 70% off, 30% off. Okay, with animation hover effect, animate hover effect. Then here is the tab trending product section with tab featured, new arrival, best seller, popular. So this is another challenging part of this store design. We will make a trending product section that will display in the professional way, looks very professional like this one. Also here you see hover option, quick add, quick view, and add to wish list. Okay, scroll down. Then added a time. Then here is a time counter or timer that encourage the customers to purchase product very quickly, because offer end very soon. We'll add a section like so. Then here is a shop that looks a different section with two part. Part 1, a big image in while section in the right side, and another part a mini slider with two images each slide. Looks here. Okay. Then new arrival section. After that, FAQ section or accordion including the left side image. Okay. Then new sticker or running text that stop or push or pause on hover. Then another two highlighted product, new arrival and offered product. And here the customer feedback. Looks good. And finally the Instagram shop, also its carousel system. And in the last there is a footer. So I hope you understand everything about this store design. And now our goal is to create a Shopify online store like so, without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, even without purchase any paid theme. That's value minimum $250 to up to $400. So I hope you understand everything, our ultimate goal. In the next class we'll start building our Shopify online store, following this design or following this reference to make a same store like this one. So thank you for your time to watch this video or join this class. If you think this class is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to get the notification instantly when we upload another new video in our YouTube channel. So thank you so much. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.